Improve logistics efficiency. Trade logistics is the improved need to facilitate strong and sustained goods so that companies can gain and maintain an advantage over their competition. Implement strategies to optimize that companies can gain and maintain an advantage over their competition. Methods to increase logistics efficiency. Companies can store, move, and ship products more effectively y strategical implement to move products only the minimum number of times required. Careful bet orders ensure prompt delivery of production. Optimize transportation. To reduce transportation costs, companies must examine and the factors that can increase or decrease expense. Automate communication technologies. The of the software enable the delivery of time optimally updated to the customer, streamlining the process from start to speed. Encourage feedback. Consider staff comments and suggestions on practice that would further improve logistics efficiency. Conclusions. Logistics planning will inevitably lead to higher productivity, satisfying customer and a more profitable company.